Imagine a world where borders dissolve, nations unite, and humanity operates under a single, unified government. What would such a monumental shift truly mean for our planet? The concept of a single global country promises an end to international conflicts, fostering an era of unprecedented peace and cooperation among all people. Economically, a unified world could streamline trade, eliminate tariffs, and create a truly global market, potentially leading to immense prosperity and resource optimization. Shared resources and coordinated efforts could tackle global challenges like climate change, poverty, and disease with unparalleled efficiency and impact. However, such a system also presents significant challenges, including the potential for a single point of failure in governance and the risk of unchecked power. Culturally, a single government might lead to the homogenization of diverse traditions, languages, and identities, potentially eroding the rich tapestry of human heritage. Maintaining local autonomy and celebrating regional differences would be crucial, yet incredibly complex, under a centralized global authority. The implementation of universal laws and policies could inadvertently suppress innovation or fail to address the specific needs of varied populations. Furthermore, dissent or rebellion against a single global power could escalate into widespread, uncontrollable conflicts, lacking external checks and balances. The very idea challenges our understanding of sovereignty, identity, and the balance between individual freedoms and collective governance. While a unified Earth offers tantalizing possibilities for peace and progress, it also demands careful consideration of the profound complexities and potential pitfalls. Thanks for watching. For more videos that make you think, subscribe to Why How When